Find out about this 3,000-year-old technique for treatment of rheumatoid arthritis and inflammation. Inflammation occurs when chemicals from the body's white cells are released into the blood to protect the body from foreign chemicals. There are many factors that can cause inflammation, including food allergies, stress, and excessive sitting. Typically, it is characterized by joint pain and stiffness and flu-like symptoms like muscle stiffness, loss of appetite, headache, fever, fatigue, and chills. Forget about the prescription medications and try these natural remedies that have been used for more than 3,000 years in India. These are the best Ayurvedic remedies for treating inflammation. 1. Keep a stress diary. Record every time you feel stressed. When we are under stress, our immune system triggers an inflammatory response. If you find out what causes your stress, you can work to reduce the triggers, which in turn will reduce inflammation. Therefore, make a note of how your body responds to stress and when you notice inflammation. For instance, is your body stiff the day after drinking plenty of milk? In this way, you can discover common food allergies, such as lactose, soy, and gluten. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a popular Ayurvedic herb that has potent anti-inflammatory properties. According to various studies, turmeric has the ability to treat rheumatoid arthritis and provide even better results than the conventional drugs. You can dissolve it in a glass of warm milk or use it when cooking eggs. 3. Ginger. Ginger is an excellent source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that can effectively reduce joint pain. Also, it increases joint mobility, relieves pain, decreases swelling and reduces morning stiffness. To obtain its maximum benefits, drink fresh ginger tea each morning. 4. Yogurt. 60 to 70% of the immune system is found in the gut. Due to this reason, we should always keep our gut healthy and happy. Unbalanced or upset gut will lead to an inflammatory response. Using probiotics, such as yogurt, can maintain a healthy gut. 5. Sleep. Not having proper night sleep means that your body does not have time to repair and restore itself. This can disrupt the function of your immune system and lead to inflammation. So, to reduce inflammation, make sure to sleep 7 to 8 hours nightly. 6. Self-massage. To reduce inflammation and relax your body, try a soothing massage. Every single day, give yourself a 10 to 20-minute massage. Before taking a shower, you should rub your achy muscles and sore joints with 1/2 cup warm sunflower or coconut oil. 7. Practice yoga, swim or bike. People with chronic inflammation are recommended to do moderate exercise such as biking, swimming, and yoga. Exercise 5 times a week. Make sure to do these activities in the morning or evening, when temperatures are cooler. 8. Coriander, fennel, and cilantro. Due to their potent cooling properties, these herbs can reduce inflammation. You should use them in a diet that includes naturally sweet, bitter, and astringent foods. Cook chickpeas with turmeric and toss them with pomegranates, cashews, cilantro, and coriander. This is a great idea for an anti-inflammatory diet.